Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can claim gifted Robux on Roblox. So let's get started. If someone has sent you Robux using Roblox's gifting features, you can check for it directly through your Roblox notifications. Start by opening Roblox and clicking the notification bell icon near the top of the screen. Any Robux gifts sent to your account may appear there as a notification. If you see a Robux gift notification, open it and click Accept if that option is available. Once accepted, the Robux should be added to your account balance. If the Robux doesn't appear, there are a few things to check. For users under 18, a linked parent account may need to approve the transfer before the Robux can be received. If you don't already have a parent account connected, you can add one through the parental controls settings. For users who are 18 or older, Roblox may require age verification before certain Robux transfer features become available. Make sure your account has completed the Roblox age check if required. You can also verify your Robux transactions through the Roblox website. Sign into your account on the official Roblox website and click the Robux icon at the top of the page. Then select My Transactions to view your Robux history. If the Robux came from selling an item, it may appear under the Pending Robux section while Roblox processes the transaction. You can also check the Robux Transfers Received section and select View All to see a complete history of Robux you've received. In some cases, the Robux may already have been automatically added to your balance, so be sure to check your current Robux amount as well. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.